Hello, my English friends. I'm going to show you today how to use Anki. We're going to go through the whole setup, the signing up for an account, downloading the application, and starting up the application. So first thing you're going to do is going to go to ankiweb.net. You can do this on any browser. I'm on Chrome here. And then we want to download the application, but we also want to do a sign up. So to do the sign up, you're going to go to sign up. You need to choose an email. I'm going to type in my email here and a password. So this is the password that you are setting up, and then sign up. And then you're going to get an email. Oh, we're going to do the consent first. I've read, continue. Okay, so now an email has been sent. Now I'm going to go check my email so that I can verify it. Okay, so here's the email that I got asking me to verify my email. It's from AnkiWeb, ankiweb.net, and it says, please verify your email address. If you don't see this email, check your junk mail. It could have been prevented from being received. If your inbox is too full, you might not be getting new emails. But mine came very quickly. As soon as I came over, it was already here. Now I'm going to click this link to complete the verification. And now it's successfully verified. I can go ahead and proceed. And proceeding, it's going to ask me to sign in again. Before I sign in again, I'm going to go back to the front page. So I'm just going to get rid of this account login and go back to just ankiweb.net. And now I want to download the application. You could do that by clicking this link here, computer version. Now I'm going to go ahead and click download Anki. And I'll be taken to this section where I have to choose what kind of operating system. Most of you are going to have Windows 10. That's going to be this one. If you have a Mac, an Apple device, laptop, then you want to choose one of these. All of these are for laptops or desktop computers. They're not for phones. So I'm going to choose the Windows 10 because that's what I have. And then I'm going to save it. You can see it's downloading up here in Chrome. That's the way it shows up. All right, now to find the file that you just downloaded, you can type here, and I would just start typing Anki. In Windows, you should get this. This is the file that we're going to run. Now, if you don't see this, you can also try typing in download, and you'll see this file explorer right here. You'll see downloads, and that will open up a file explorer window like this, where now you'll see that file there. Okay, so both ways are fine. I'm going to go ahead and type and click this and open the file. Now you're getting an installation, and I'm going to click install. This is going to take 1 to 2 minutes depending on your computer. All right, it'll look like this when it's totally completed its setup. And all you do is click close. Now, in Windows, I would do one more thing. We're going to go back down to this box and type here to search. We're going to type in Anki. And you'll see this is the application that's now installed. You can, and to make it appear down here among your menu items, I recommend clicking this pin to taskbar, and that will make it appear. You can see that it's now on my taskbar. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open the app by clicking here, but again, you can also click over here. This is what the app's going to look like the first time you open it. I'm just going to make it full screen. So the very first time you come, this is a completely blank profile. And the very first thing you want to do is click this sync button. Now it's going to ask you to sign in. You want to enter the same email that you used to sign up for the account. And password. Now what the sync button does, this is short for synchronization, and the sync button enables you to make changes on your desktop and then have them saved in the cloud. So every time I add a new card or a new deck, or just practice on here, the last thing I'm going to do before I leave the application is I'm going to click the sync button to upload all the changes. That enables me to still use the website for practice, or if I am going to use the mobile applications, it allows me to have all the same information no matter which one I'm using. Now what do we do? So a blank a brand new profile has this default deck. You can use the default deck. You can rename it by going to this widget icon and do rename. I like to rename them just to be a little more intuitive. So let's call this one English. And now you can start adding cards. If you want to add new decks, you can create a deck up here. And maybe I want to do an English 2. I don't need 2 decks, so I'm going to cancel, but you can have more than 1 deck. And that's all you need to know about starting a deck, starting a new account in Anki. In future videos, I'm going to show you how to use this application in a more detailed way, including adding cards and how to study.